Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. What do you guys think of the new camera? I mean, I don't know if you guys have been able to tell any difference, but I did get the Sony a7S III, and that's my main recording camera now. That's what I've been using for the past few videos. Let me know if you've seen any improvements on video quality and stuff. I do plan to do a review on it, but I don't know when that will be, to be honest, because I want to use the camera more. I want to use it in different scenarios, because the main scenario I've used it is to shoot me, like you're seeing now, and to shoot some products. I haven't really used it in other environments. So I want to really test it out before I give my verdict on it, you can say. But so far, I am really happy with it. Quality is amazing, the sharpness is amazing, the sort of editing process for the files is amazing as well. My iMac is struggling a little bit though with the files, so a new computer might be in order. So we'll see about that. But anyway, we're here to talk about the MagSafe wallet, the leather iPhone wallet that you can get for the new iPhones. Now, I've been using it for the past few days. Wanted to basically show you what it's all about. So when you get it, it comes in this cute little packaging, small little box. Let's get it out. There we go. So as I mentioned, I've been using it for the past few days. I just put it back in the box so I can show you guys what it's like, basically. In the box you get the wallet, of course, and then you get some documentation in the back. When I first got it out of the case, I was actually really impressed by the quality and the feel of the leather. Apple on their website are calling it French leather, which, you know, when it comes to leather, you can get different grades of leather in all different sorts of places. So yeah, as far as I can tell, it's great. It's good quality leather, feels nice, smells nice as well. And yeah, it's just nice and compact. When it comes to actually getting the cards out of the leather wallet, there's actually a hole in the back of the wallet that you can use to push the card out, and you get sort of like a placeholder card in there, basically showing you how to attach it to your phone and how to put a card in the wallet itself. So now that we have it empty, again, like I said, the leather feels nice, it feels great, and I think it looks great as well. I've got the black one here. The stitching is really nice, the feel of it is really nice, has a nice sort of soft sort of touch to it, supple sort of touch to it, but at the same time, you know, it's quite rigid. It's not soft like a normal leather wallet would be. And that's because, of course, the back of it has magnets in it and stuff. So it has to be quite rigid to keep its shape and to stick to the back of the iPhone. The edging as well is really nicely done. Just feels like a high-end product. Considering its price tag of £60, $60, I think it's actually pretty reasonably priced for what it is. The Apple logo is really nicely debossed on it. Yeah, just quite minimalist and nice looking. I really like the black one. They do offer other colors as well, but I really like the black. If I were to choose another color, it would probably be the saddle brown. I think the saddle brown looks really good. But I got the black just to match the iPhone, and just because I like keeping everything black pretty much. When it comes to actually sticking it to the iPhone, again, very simple and easy process, just magnets. And you know, once it's lined up, I think it looks pretty good, especially on this iPhone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro with the silicone case, the black silicone case. I do actually have the black leather case on order as well, so it'd be nice to see the leather wallet with the black leather case. But yeah, I just think it looks really good. With it on the back of the phone, it definitely does add a bit of bulk. You know, it's quite thick, but I feel like you don't really notice it, because when you're holding your phone, you're holding the phone by the edges. You can feel the case, but it's not impacting usage of the phone. If anything, it gives you a better grip because it's a bit more curved. It gives the phone a bit more curvature, so it's more likely to fit nicer in the hand. When it comes to putting cards in, I'm going to put this card mainly because if I use my other cards, you're going to see the credit card numbers. So I'm just going to use my Tesla key card just to show you what it's like. So when we put it in, nice and easy, it's in there, fits nice and snug. And it's definitely not going to fall out. The card definitely isn't going to fall out. Apple say you can fit up to 3 cards in here, but I actually think it's better with 1 or 2 cards, mainly because if you have 3 cards in here, to get a card out, you have to get all 3 cards out anyway. So I think it's better just to have 1 card that you put in here and then have your other cards on Apple Pay, which makes sense because that's what I do. I keep a lot of my cards on Apple Pay now instead of using my credit card and getting the credit card out all the time. And I think this is better just to have 1 card in. To actually get the card out of the wallet, you actually have to take the wallet off the case and then use the cutter in the back to slide the card up. That's the only way that I can see getting the card out, because when you have the wallet on the phone itself, it's actually really hard to grip the card. Like, I can't get that card out. It's not coming out. I can't grip it. Okay, now I'm going to make it my mission to get it out. There we go. Now I've got it out. But as you can see, it's not very sort of elegant experience. Because of the cutout on the back, I don't think it was always designed to be on your iPhone. It's meant to just sort of go alongside it. Usually you'd keep the two items separate. That's the whole point. You know, you keep this as your wallet and you keep your iPhone as your iPhone. But, you know, when you want to put them together, you can, and you can have them together so that you don't lose them. But yeah, I think the way Apple have designed it, they're not meant to always be stuck together, and for you to be able to get your card out whilst the wallet is attached to the phone. You're supposed to use the cutout and get the card out that way. Now, quite a few people have said that when you have the wallet attached to your phone and you have it as a whole package and you put it into your jeans pockets, trousers pockets, whatever else it may be, that sometimes it can detach. And from my experience, that can happen, but it doesn't happen all the time. You know, I think when you know that you've got your wallet on the back of the phone and you know that it's magnetized, you're more likely to take a bit more care putting it into your pocket. And when it comes to putting phones in your pockets and stuff, usually you're holding the whole phone. You're not sort of holding it by the edge. But yeah, if you're wearing particularly tight, skinny jeans, I can definitely see it being an issue. I can definitely see it detaching and worrying about sort of dropping it. But yeah, it's something that I think, you know, once you start using it, once you start sort of getting used to it, you're going to know that your wallet is magnetized to the back of the phone, and you're going to take a bit more care putting your phone and wallet into your pocket. Now, the question for a lot of people is, can it replace your sort of everyday wallet? I do have an everyday wallet, and yeah, I think it can. I think if you're someone who only uses 1 or 2 cards or 3 cards, you can definitely put them all in here, have any other cards set up as Apple Pay, and just do that. You know, this can be your main wallet. For me personally though, it's not going to be replacing my wallet. It's going to go alongside it, mainly because I have quite a few cards in here that I use for everyday stuff. I have a few personal cards, have a few credit cards, and I have a few business cards. I probably have anywhere between 6 to 8 cards in my main wallet. Now, I can't fit 6 to 8 cards in here. That's just not going to happen. But the way I see it is, on days where I definitely don't need all of these cards, I can just take my phone, have my backup card in my MagSafe wallet, and then just use Apple Pay, because I have my personal cards and American Express on Apple Pay. I think for that sort of scenario, it works really well for me, and it's why I will be keeping mine, I will be using mine, but I'll be using it alongside my bigger, sort of more developed bifold wallet. So yeah, I do really like the MagSafe wallet. Is it a must-have? Probably not. But if you're someone who's really looking to sort of condense down what you're carrying, I think it's a really good option, especially because, you know, you can attach to your phone and you can have it as one package. You can have it as one sort of item without worrying about having them separately. The great thing is it can be used separately as well if you want to. But I just think it's a nice little setup that Apple have come up with, and it's a nice use case of MagSafe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.